Good day, guys, and welcome to this channel once more. My name is Gira Bright. So today we're going to be talking about setting up Archicad working units. So what are working units in Archicad? Working units are units like, let me see, the metric and the is it the metric and the all right, the metric. Let me see. For the metric, we have the millimeters, the meters, the centimeters, and so on. And we also have the one for feet and one for um, whatever, just all those things. So we're going to set up the one the one you like to use, especially the one you know how to use very well, the one you're conversant with. Okay, so today we're going to set that. So right now, let's go to, before starting your work actually, so let's go to options, and on options we go to project preferences. Under project preferences you see working units. Okay, that's it, and you click on it, and then this will pop up right here. And we have, for model units, you have the millimeter. So if you click on this little arrow pointing down, you see it's in you can choose the meter, the centimeter, the millimeter, whichever one you're good with. And also we have the feet and fractional inches, the feet and decimal inches, the decimal feet, fractional, and also whichever you good with. Okay, you choose them. Okay, and also this decimals is in zero. Okay, it's okay. And then layout unit, this one is for when you're doing your let me see, your working drawing. If you're doing your working drawing in millimeters or in meters, rather, your working drawing that you want to present for them to use and start working on a site. So this is where you choose your layout unit. Okay, but usually I prefer them to millimeter and also my decimals to zero, because it's good and conversant for me. So whichever one is good for you guys, you use. Okay, thanks for watching this video today. My name is Gira Bright, and I would like you to click subscribe below to get more of my videos as I upload them. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next video.